This question is from GATE 2017. This is on compiler design. We have a particular grammar with some production and we have to find out the follow of Q. Now, to find out follow, we have to find out the first of R. To know more about this, please watch our video on compiler theory, that is on parsing. We have discussed in depth in those videos. So, to obtain the follow of Q, we have to first find out the first of R. So, what is the first? First of R, right? Now, the first of R is W. W and epsilon. Now, as the symbol R is nullable, then if I replace R with epsilon, then what we will get? We have to determine the first of S again. So, what will be the first of S? Are you getting it? What we have done, see, we have to find out the follow of Q. Now, the follow of Q is first of R. So, we have determined the first of R, which is nothing but W and epsilon. Now, as the first of R is containing epsilon, so R is nullable. That means if I replace R with epsilon, then we will get S here. That means we have to find out the first of S also. So, what will be the first of S? This is nothing but Y. How can I get it? From this production, right? So, this is Y. Now, so what will be the follow of Q? This is nothing but W and Y. So, the correct answer is follow of Q is W and Y.